Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Najat. We are going to start the program debates, leaders debate. So, we have candidates here to introduce this program. I request the Chief Election Officer, Abdul Nasser, sir. Sir, please.
Okay, welcome all to the leaders debate, and we are going to start our program. So first, I would like to invite the first candidate, Muhammad Agil, to introduce himself.
Hello, my dear friends. Good afternoon to all. My name is Muhammad Agil. I am a candidate participating for election 2K21. You all know, you all know one head boy want to in our school. That's why I am a head boy to participating in our election. You all want to vote for me, and if I win, I will give you some.
Agil,
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
did you finish? Is that over?
Yes, sir.
Sir, over to you.
Okay, so see, candidates can take maximum 5 minutes to introduce themselves, and after the introduction section, the voters can ask the question. So total, actually, we have uh, one 1 and 30 hours. So 20 minutes. Each class will get to 20 minutes. That means we have third, fourth, and fifth classes. So each class, the voters of each class will get to 20 minutes, maximum 20 minutes to ask the question. So you can ask your doubts and you can clear your doubts. Okay. So next, I would like to welcome the next candidates, Rima.
Hi all, good afternoon. So I know there's no need for introducing myself, a long introduction. As you know, my name is Rima and I'm standing for the head girl position and my symbol is an umbrella. So, you know, a leader must be an influencer who does not require to anyone forcibly to follow him. It is his it is his what you can say qualities or personalities that make them follow. So I think I'm a person like that. So you want to vote me, you want to vote me as a your head girl. If I win, my first priority is given to the students and their well-being and their what they need. I will take my 100% effort to fulfill their needs. So I like to help, support, and motivate them. I believe I can motivate them with my qualities. Today we know there are many problems are uprising. That students are suiciding. Many problems are that. I think it is because of the lack of enough or proper counseling. So the first thing when I become an head girl, I think we need a council section or any counselors, perfect counselors that who counsel children very well. And I think whatever I saying right now is all based on offline classes. Okay, if it is in online classes, I will maximum bring all the things that will you cannot be laziness or bore. We all know that in online classes we have so many difficulties that we can't share each other. And if anyone have such kind, please inform me. If I became a head girl, I will maximum try to solve all your problems, and I will more interact with you. And my second priority is for the school environment. And I think our school is a not cost. School is a so many gardens, trees, all this other. But I think if we increase or if we develop more, we can improve our environment that without affecting our ecosystem. Then lastly, if I become a head girl, my third priority is for the pride of our school. I there are so many children are there who enough they can sing or dance. Many talents are there. So I give my 100% effort to develop that one, and I think I'm a perfect for that. You all want to vote me. You all want to vote me. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rima. And let's move on to the next candidates, Muhammad Shaheen. Muhammad Shaheen, I would like to invite Muhammad Shaheen.
Hi everyone, I'm Muhammad Shaheen from class 10. I'm here with, I am so excited to hear that we are going to conduct our A election, and now I am one of the candidates and my symbol is laptop. I have some plans to put into practice in Najat, and some of them are we will be conducting school arts fest, and we will be taken to another level which Najat had ever seen. There are many talented students, and we will give a great chance and opportunity to them also. And my first thing I would like to put into practice when I was elected as a head boy, that is I will be making the ambience of offline class as well in online class, and I will try to my best to make that. We will conduct online science fest to showcase the talents of students in science and technology, which will be a great help to us. We will be introducing a new section to introduce and discuss about the latest technology in weekly or monthly. We will be conducting various online programs, and we will be giving certificates in online through. We will upload your talented and creativity of your viewers in our school YouTube channel, and we will be trying to become. We will train you to also for speeches and to approach a crowd and removing the stage fear. And we will ensure that every child is interactive in class and bring them to online without any hesitation and laziness to their classes. We will give online classes on physical education and the importance of healthcare and daily routines. These are some of my plans, and I wish I can make it, and I have a lot of them left, and it is my I will be giving you many chances. If I was elected, and you can contact me at any time. And don't forget, my symbol is laptop and standing for head boy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Shaheen, for sharing your planning with us. Then next candidates, Rania Naushad. Rania Naushad.
A very good afternoon, NEMS. So, I think some of you may know me, but let me introduce myself. My name is Rania Naushad, and I'm a student of NEMS since my KG section. So, as you all know, I'm one of the contestants participating in our NEMS e-voting by the symbol of cake. So, before telling that you all have to vote for me, I have to say that for what you have to vote for me. because our parents and students may have a confusion that to whom they are voting. So if I were you, I will have a condition that if I am voting for a person, that person must bring some changes, so better changes for our school and its better future. And if I were you and voting, I will think that my vote have to get one value. That if there is one vote, but that must have one value that brings one better changes. So if I will win, my first aim is 100% development of our school, and I will make many changes which bring better tomorrows. And I have to say one thing, one code which I made 1 week ago myself. So if you are voting for a person who can make some changes, then you are making the changes. And I'm not sure that I will win this, but I'm sure that if I win, I will be standing in the first position to support everyone and to make all the problems into solutions and to bring everyone forward, because not in the world how we are born without any talents. Everyone is born with some talents, so we have to find their talents. So I will be standing in the front position to make them talented and to prove their talent. So I think I'm one of the better option to be selected in our e-voting, because I also love and I'm interested in supporting people to help. What kind of help I can give, that I will give that help. So please vote for me. My symbol is K. So if you are voting for a person who can make some changes, then you are making that changes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, Rania and Naushad. Then we have another candidate. I would like to invite our next candidate, Abdul Hadi.
Thank you so much, sir, for the talk. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Myself, Abdul Hadi from Pandikad, studying in class 8A. My dear friends, our school plays a vital role in character forming, and the school experiences marks us for life. If elected, I will focus on creating a healthy environment with equal opportunities where students can excel academically and mature socially. I will also look forward to enrich Najat School campus and develop it as number one in our region. Thirdly, I hope to achieve a better student-teacher relationship and stronger student voice, which I believe will lead to a more productive environment. Finally, as a sports lover and player, I would like to improve the sports facilities and increase awareness regarding the benefits of physical fitness. The timely relevant symbol is given to me, which is the sanitizer. So please cast your vote for me. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Abdul Hadi. Okay, the last candidate, Leah Fatima. Leah Fatima.
Hello dears, my name is Leah Fatima. I am studying 8th standard. As you all know, I am combating as head girl in our school. My symbol is book. So everyone please vote for me. And here I give my 4 main offers for you. First one, if we stay online, we will bring back our arts fest through online facilities. Prizes will be given those who get first and second rank in every class. Those who are lagging behind as SJDs, we will start a friends teaching progress for them. And we will bring a school banking system to create a saving mentality in every children. This is only some of my plans. If you vote for me, I will fulfill all these promises for you. And please vote for the symbol book. Thank you. Have a nice day.
What is your symbol?
My symbol is book. Don't forget, my symbol is book.
Okay. So I think the introduction session of candidates is over. And so let's move to the next stage.
Yes, let us move to the next stage. Candidates, get ready to face the questions from the students. I think this is a chance for the students of third standard. Is it right, Nasser sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Students, you can ask questions. Which one? Students, you can ask questions to these candidates. Just like you can mention the name of the candidate and you can directly ask them a question, or otherwise you can ask question to everyone. Okay. To start the program, I request if there is any teacher available, you can also start asking a question to the students, the leaders.
Hello,
Yes, Sapna.
I'm Asif. So I heard all this introduction of all the candidates. Okay, so I want to know one matter. So all of you nominated for this head boy position or head girl position. Is it by yourself or by the strong compulsion of any relations, that's the family members or friends? Please tell me.
Is
What we can.
it is by myself.
Yourself.
Actually, in my case, it was I would like in my interest. There is an interest to be doing like this. So this is my interest, and I will never say that my friends didn't support. My friends, my parents, and you teachers, and my other friends, everyone supported very well. And it is my aim to be those some things, and it is my wish. So I just tried as how I can do it.
What about this? Adi? Yeah. Very- Please answer. Yes, Hadi,
I
you
think
can.
this is a I think this is a great chance to serve sometimes for Najat, because we all know the history of the Najat, a man named Ketu Ustad, and a great legends worked behind this, and I'm very happy to work for them as a head of ours, one of the best schools in Najat. Uh, to serve as a to serve as a head, that means it's a great opportunity to make some time for serving for Najat, because I have been studying 12 years in Najat, and I can that's I am getting a chance to work for some time for Najat. That's creating a great pleasure. That's why I'm standard as a head boy, and I think I can work it all to my best.
Okay, good. Very good. What about the others?
In my case, I am decided, and my parents, students are supporting to me.
Okay, very good support you got. Okay, what about then? Yeah.
In my case, this is actually my first year in the school, and this is new experience for me as being a head boy, getting votes, doing voting, etc. So that's why I participated in the selection.
Okay. Then Leah, are you there?
Yes, miss. It is only my interest because I like to get a leadership, and it is a best experience in our school life.
Okay. Then one more is remaining
And
here.
I like to support everyone for their achievement.
Okay, Rima. Hello, Rima.
Yes, miss.
Yes, you can
In,
open.
in my case, it is from mothers also, but most of this my friends. This was my wish, one of my wish. I want to experience how I want to lead the others. I want to know. I want to experience all this one because we all know that this is our last year in our school life. So we want to maximum enjoy. So that's why I participated in it, and my friends also motivated me very well. They supported me. You can do it. You can do it. So all from this I selected. I decided to be a head. That's all.
Very good, very good. Okay. So the next is the chance for others, the students. You can ask. Okay. Ask questions to them.
So other students, you are the voters of this election. You are having a role, an important role in making our head girl and head boy. So chance is open for you. You can ask questions to our candidates. Okay, you can also type the question here, only question here in the chat box. Don't type any other things. Chat box is open for you. Students can also type the questions here, then we will ask on behalf of you. So before moving to the next question, Nasser sir, let me ask a question to the candidates.
Sure, 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 sir.
Okay, so let me ask one thing. Dear candidates, this question is for all candidates. Am I audible, Nasser sir?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay. After the election, when we announce the result, what will be your reaction if you are a winner and when you are a loser?
Actually, when while participating also, we have two options. Actually, others may say that I failed when I win, I will get the head girl, I will be the head girl. When I failed, then I will have a great experience. So sometimes others may say that I failed, but to me, I am having two type of gain. One by two type of gain. So it is only gain. One side I will get a head girl, I will be a head girl. Another side I will have a great experience. So from experience we all are studying everything. So if I fail in this, so I can achieve more better in any other cases. So that's my reaction when if I fail or if I win.
Next one.
My symbol is cake.
If I was the winner, inshallah, I will be so happy and inform my friends and all. But if someone else win it for them, it will be a good experience participating in it, and the result will be the best for me. Thank you.
Sir, if I win, I am very happy to fulfill my promises, and if I lose, I will be give that to God,
Okay.
and I will better that for next time.
Three replied. Three more. Other candidates?
So when I get rejected or I lost, I will be getting another experience that because I have been a candidate in last election and I was I got second position that I got many experience from this and I am trying all the best in this election. If I go win also I will get the head position. Otherwise I will be a member of the council. Then also don't worry, I will be there for you. All can approach me. I will be saying that and be cooperating with the head boy.
സ്കൂളിനെ പറ്റി അങ്ങനെ അങ്ങനെ
I'll be cooperating with the head boy and trying all the best to make this because Najat is ours not
Okay.
Happy and I'm lost this position. I am also happy, but this is experience to get.
Prima.
In my case, whether I lost or win, I don't have any special reaction because if I win, I will be thank to Allah. And if I lost, it will be an experiences for me. As I already mentioned that it is my first experiences, and I was so excited also. So if I lost, just leave it that I will never quit, but I will practice or I will more and more. I will try to get more and more. And we all know that from the experiences, we are learning new things. And if I lost, don't worry, I will be there, and I can support in any time. And I'm always supporting you and always motivating you. So if I become a leader, you will be getting a good leader. That's all.
Okay, I think. Thank you. I think we have already mentioned the symbol here.
Sir, I'm Adila Sharif
Okay.
and that question is that if you are elected as a head girl, which type of change you can bring in our school from this stage?
Actually, if I was elected as a head girl, we know nowadays it is in our online class, so we have to make perform very well in our online class, and we can make a next level of online class because of online class we are not going to get anything. We will be adding sports also. By we know so many indoor games are there. We will be adding sports. We will be adding arts. Everything. We will not lose anything if there is online class, and if it is offline class, then also we will perform as much as better as we can do. And our aim is 100% developed school for us to study. So that's my answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. What will you do when you become the leader of Nejat English Medium School?
I will contact the students, those who are lagging behind their studies, and we will start a friends teaching progress for them. And I will motivate them to get their best. Thank you.
So candidates make use of this opportunity. That means you can come forward to give a reply when the students are asking a question.
I'm Miza Fatima from 4th B. My question is, what qualities do you believe a leader should have?
Actually, I believe in a leadership, there will be a leader must have a correct vision and understanding skills. Actually, a leader must have to understand what's the problem, and they have to make their problems into solutions. And according to me, a leader is not a person who gives some orders or give some specific questions. Rania, unmute your mic. Yeah, sorry. Actually, according to me, a leader is a person who have a correct vision and understanding skills. A leader must understand their problems, and he must have to make all the problems into solutions. And also, the leader is a person, according to me, leader is a person who not order, but he will make his own followers or his own people to bring into many changes, and he will take his own people along to the gain point. Thank you. This is my own opinion.
I am Aban Mohammed. I am fourth year. I am question, what values are most
Aban?
Hello. Hello.
Aban, please repeat. Aban.
I am Aman Mohammed. Rania Naushad, what is a symbol?
My symbol is cake.
How can you help?
So, dear students, when you are asking question, you can mention whether you are asking
Can
the
you
question to all candidates or whether you are asking question to any one particular candidate. Okay.
How can you help?
Okay. To which
We can help students in any way.
continue, Liana. Continue.
Actually, how can we help them means we will be supporting you in any ways because if which kind of help you need, we will be providing that kind of help with the same support.
If you have any problem, you can tell me and I will solve at that time.
I will solve it with as soon as possible.
Question once more, please.
I am Rayhan Ali from 4th B. My question is, what is the best promise you can make to voters as a school leader candidate?
My best promise will be that even if online or offline, if offline, our sports facilities will be improved. I promise you all that our sports facilities will be improved and all of us will get an equal opportunities. If online, we will add more activities and games and arts, etc., in more free times, etc. I promise you all
I
that.
think my best promises is that I will contact all students in every class, those who are lagging behind their studies, and I will motivate to get their best.
My best promise is that I will be there to support you in the front position in any case, in
As a
any
candidate, and my first option is to
problems.
bring.
I am Yesha. I asked a question. Only one candidate, Abdul Hadi, is answered. My question is, how can you manage your time for us with your studies?
Actually, in my case, I'm managing my time with studies. Actually, before our election, I had many, somewhat more time to give to everyone to do my hobby. At the time of election, I was using my whole time to support you, to call my friends, to ask their problems, to solve their problems. So I will make my free times, all the free times into your times, so that I can solve your all problems.
I am a Princy from 5th year. My question, suppose if you win this election, what you do for us? That means, what are the helps to do for us in the school?
Any help we can do. If you have any problems, you can tell me and I will solve that. That's where I can help you.
I'll help you in every way in the permission of the school authorities. If it is allowed, I'll try to help the most as possible to every one of you.
As I already mentioned, my first priority is always for you. So you can contact me anytime and I will be here and I will be always answerable to you. So you can call me or just a missed call itself. I will call back you in any time. And I like to help and support you. And I believe I can motivate you also. So in my case, I will give more support in you every single case. And I think I will be a better person in front of you, a better leader. I can be a better leader for you, and I can give inspirations also to achieve your goal. And we all know that in online classes we don't have any art sports and like that. But in my case, if I became a head girl, you can expect a arts program. And also, we all know that in our school there are so many Usain Bolts are there, Lionel Messi are there. We all know that. So we want to develop all your skills and talent. No one is born without any talent. So I believe you all get a chance, and if I became a head girl, you can call me. You can contact me anytime. I will be there for you.
In my case, I will try to understand what is your problem or which kind of help you needed at that time. So I will be providing that help, and I will try to solve that problem 100%, and I will try my all the best to solve your problems and to make help you. So there will be 100% chance for me to help you.
I'm Nana Mahar in 4th B. My question is, if you are selected as head boy, what is the first plan you went to implement?
If I am selected as the head boy, I'll bring every child get attracted to the online classes, and I'll be solving the laziness and their problems against the online classes, and I'll be giving you motivation and introducing new technology, and this will be helping you to get more attractive to the online classes. And my other opinion is that I want to get attracted all the students to the online classes.
I hope to achieve a better student-teacher relationship so students won't be in any kind of hardness in studies or in trouble while studying or for exams. So a better student-teacher relationship and a stronger student voice, which I believe will lead to a more productive environment.
My question is for Anna. We are studying in English mediums. How can you improve our students' language skill?
Actually, what language is made by? Actually, nowadays our CBSE schools are using one kind of method. Some of the schools are using like some teaching saying in English only. And I think, in my opinion, one can only improve their language skills by hearing their problems and hearing one baby. In case of a baby is studying his first language. If in my case I'm studying Malayalam, so a baby is studying his first language by hearing. So I think by hearing only we can change the language and we can improve the language. So this was a nice question. Thank you.
If on me to improve our English language, I will, even if it is in online, we can conduct many debates and English speech contests more often, so we can all improve our English language. This was actually pretty impressive question.
In my case, you can find a time to speak English in your house with your family. Then you can improve your skills and English language.
As I have mentioned above, that I will be we will be conducting a language. We will be conducting language communicative program. With that, we will be helping you to say English fluently, and we'll be giving many chances to approach the people, and we will be getting many clubs under the schools.
And English programs and speech and our parents.
Yes, Akhil, continue.
I am Dania Dilshad from 4th B. I am question is, how can help you all students?
We can help all students by like group by group, like 4th A students, 4th B students, 4th A, like that. We can make group of every class and help each one, or help it as a group. to all, even in studies or in any program. If you need any help, we can help in every way.
My plan for bringing a helping others is to I will be making a leader from every class, and from him I will be getting the replies and the thoughts about from the students, and he will be approaching me, and I will be discussing it with the teachers and my friends and the council, and will be taking a great a perfect replay for that.
Hello, sir. Muhammad.
Yes, Aban, you can ask question.
I am Muhammad Lahin, 4th B. My question is, if you are selected as a sports captain, what would you do in the current situation?
Actually, if I was selected as a sports captain, I will try to do something in online. Actually, we have outdoor games are usually done by some team league, but indoor games we can do like chess, for example, chess, ludo, and other snake. Some games are there which we can do as a group by online. By online, while sitting in online, we can do some games. So I think it is better to conduct like that games, and it is offline, then we can conduct very happily in our school. So if it is offline, we can do some indoor games by making 4 teams or making some teams and making that problems as solutions. So we can conduct our sports very happily.
Thank you.
And that was a nice question.
Good afternoon to all. I'm Jesha Bashir. I'm studying in 3rd standard. My question is, how you help us to improve our learning in this COVID situation?
Actually, I think our learning, we have to make some more interest in our learning. So we can make learning somewhat more interesting and somewhat more easy by doing some extra activities for learning. So we can do that by improving our online classes. So actually, so maybe some students are bored by online classes. So we have to make that interesting, because nowadays we have facilities to make a smart class. Last year or before last year, I think we are using a smart class and showing it in a TV, like in our class there is one. But nowadays we have a chance to get it every day itself. So we can make our learning more easier and more interesting by this method. We can also present it by our Google Meet also.
Thank you.
Can you
I'm Nishan Muhammad, 5th B. My question is, how can you implement the sports in the online class you
I
mentioned?
request the participants, please switch on a video when you are asking question. Okay, Nishan. All participants, those who are asking question, please switch on your video. Please ask your question again, Nishan. Audio.
How can you implement the sports in the online class you mentioned?
Okay.
We can start many games, like in Kahoot we have like quiz option or games option. We can do like quiz about if your favorite sport, if it is football, we can do quiz who scored that goal in this game, etc. Or we can do chess like that, etc. We can do many games and many quiz about sports and etc.
As we are living in a technology world, there is a great chances and many opportunities for getting sports, and there are many channels and many applications for conducting activities like that. We will be searching and find the best and the wonderful and attractive games, and we will be conducting through our groups, and we will be making our school into 4 groups as usual, and we will be getting arts and sports under it. We'll be conducting it. And try to make the best feelings about the like as online offline classes.
And also, we will give a chance for you to select your interest in sports. So you can also select this year.
We will conduct our arts and sports that we can in online that we have best in.
As we are living in this situation, we can, if it is an offline class, we can do somewhat. We can get our sports very happily. But if we are living in this condition, so we can maximum we can do in the indoor games, and online games are a lot of games are there in case of sports. So like chooses are there, and the best example is we are conducting our 10th standard is conducting soccer queue in these 4 weeks. So that's where one of the examples are there, and so many are participating. We congratulate in this time those who participated in it, and I like that we can add more games also that will interesting, that will create more interest and more participation in every students. And I believe we can reopen the school very soon, and we can have the sports very happily.
Thank you. We can conduct sports in
Can you
online.
sing a song?
Who?
Okay.
How
I
can
think
implement of ads of online class?
yeah,
We can try our best to bring back our arts through. We can sing and like that we can do many things through online.
Actually, arts is a thing physically that is not like sports. Arts very easy to be conducted in online, and we can do something. We can do by meeting Google Meet. We can conduct our arts. Many options are there. Now we are living in a technology world, and we are having many ways to improve our arts in online also. So we can try the best of them in our arts competitions.
First of all, we will be introducing 4 groups that will make you encourage and attract you to the arts. And we'll be making many rooms in Google Meet, and everyone will be sharing that links through the Google Meet, through the WhatsApp group, and everyone can watch it. And we will be same time we will be broadcasting it into our YouTube channel. You can participate from your home. The students will be getting certificate online, and it
I am Muhammad Shimlal Ali from 4th C. Do you set these symbols in your cells?
Yes, I said that myself.
Actually, in my case, I have one opinion. I selected a pen, and while selecting, my friend Sida helped me. Actually, she said, "I think cake is better." So, by considering my friend's wish also, I too love it. So, by her own choice, together with my choice, I selected cake, and I also selected pen along with that. But I got cake. So, I am very happy with this symbol because students will be interesting to vote for cake because of the symbols.
I think you have all love very well. That's why I choose that symbol for me.
I actually chose a different symbol first, but our principals are helped me and asked me to take a different symbol, and our principals are helped me to take this symbol sanitizer. It is actually a good and timely relevant symbol for me, and I am actually happy with the symbol.
I took my symbol as laptop because we are living in a technology world, and laptop is in our daily life. It is becoming a one of the part of our daily life. And I also chose the football, but they selected as they gave me as a laptop as my symbol, and I am happy with it. Thank you.
I selected two symbols. One was the cake, and other was umbrella. I thought colorful things would attract the children very well. That's why I selected these two. But unfortunately, I got umbrella. But I was very happy with that, and I think the umbrella and cake, all these are so attracting for the KG students like that. So I think it's a good symbol for me, and that's it.
Nasir sir, are you there?
I am Muhammad Anush from 3rd A. I want to ask you our candidates. If you are not succeed in your ideas, what would you do? Thank you.
Actually, can you repeat the question?
If you are not successful in your ideas, what would you do?
Actually, successing.
Success in the ideas you implement here. If you are not
Yeah,
successful,
the ideas are not given as a victory. So we will try our best to make our ideas into success. And if it is not going to a success, then we will try another best thing instead of that. So that I think there will be a great option. And also the question is also that is very great. Thank you.
This was a nice question. So let me tell you something frankly. If the decision is not succeeded, it means lost. But I will make more better than that, because it means that there is equal benefit in every experiences. Because every loss is a gain, and then every gain is a loss.
I think I can do all my promises. If we don't succeed, that we will try
Inshallah.
another promise.
I am Anand from Fatima. I study in 4th standard. My question is, what do you think about the online classes through the online classes? How to watch time?
Adi, Ayan Jafar, please unmute again and ask the question. It was not clear. Ayan Jafar, can you please ask the question again?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I heard the question. What's your opinion about online class? I think.
Okay, okay.
What do you think
Actually,
about the online classes and what you will do to improve the online classes?
Okay, okay.
Actually, my opinion about online class, actually it is a better way to study while sitting in the house. But actually, we can once school means not just their studies, also only not studies, but their friends, meeting new friends, studying new cases, and understanding all people's life. When we are going to school, we can understand that what happened in our friend's house yesterday. So we can understand many cases. But when we are sitting in the house, we are not much exploring us before. So I think there are many pros, and there are many pros and negative also in this online class. And also I say problem, headache, so many negatives also. But it going how to sales as like online class also how to sales. One is negative and one is positive. So we have to use its positive as much as possible, and we can bring more technologies. You asked one more question also, so we can bring more technologies to improve our online class by selecting the best platform, by selecting the best ways to send our PDF, by selecting the best way to conduct our exams and so on. Because and your question is also a great question. Actually, that was a great question, unique question.
I think we can give a personal attention to every student, and we can make online classes some more funny with games. And that we can improve our study.
I am Rushda from 5th B. What games did you invite in the sports in Google Meet?
Actually, we can invite chess and ludos as like many games, and we will be also selecting your opinions in that way by inviting or by making new. We can also select new sports items because we are exploring many things new in our daily life. So you can also choose your interest, and you can say that for our sports we need that in our sports, and we will be definitely trying to make that also a sports item. Thank you.
I have an idea that we will be making use of the online games such as Ludo, Snake and Ladder, chess competition, and so on. And also, we will be have a photography and video creating contest, which can help you to improve your photo creativity skill in art. That will be a great chance for the student who is better in arts. And I also love photography. Thank you.
I am Muhammad Shazin, 4th B. My question, what kind of role model you will be for the school?
I want to be a role model type which the students will also follow, so that the role model type I will be is being good at studies, not just studies, also sports, art, and everything. And
And I have to be a role model which every student can inspire, and I have to influence in every students, and I want to be a role model which every student wish to be make their role model. And I want as a role model in which the students can prove their talent as which they have their interest, so that they can prove their interest. So I want to be a role model which everyone wish to be their role model. So thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am studied in 3rd standard. My question is, what will you do to maintain, to encourage, and to improve the skills of each student in this situation?
we will first give equal opportunities to every student, no matter which class they are from. We'll do equal opportunities according to the class type, and we won't look like that kid have a exam, or that kid have a bad condition, so he's not in. We'll give everyone equal opportunities, and it will be according to like age accordings, and we'll do many games to encourage you all, and many inspirational things to encourage all of you.
Actually, yeah, when in my case, I think we have to check what is their skills. So students can openly tell what is their interest, and we will be making many introductions which by which they can prove their skills, and we will be bringing many things so that students can identify in which they have their interest. So we will be providing us like. Thank you. Next question.
I am Muhammad Hussain, 5th B. My question is, sorry.
Yes,
Sorry.
Anus, continue. Anus, continue.
What makes you to think that you are perfect for a position like this?
I think in my case, my trying, I will be always trying to have something which I want. I will be always going to the way which I will be always targeting to the point, and I will be hardworking for that. So I think my trying and my hardworking skills made this, and I will not say I have a perfect skill in that, but everyone is perfect in their own ways. Thank you.
Sorry, my question to Shahid.
I am Muhammad Shifin, 5th B. I am question head boys. You can help me sports activity.
Yeah, we can help everyone, not just you, not just anyone. We can help everyone. in every sports activities. If you need any help, just contact and we'll reply as soon as possible.
Okay, okay. I think Shahim has got one question from. Shahim, do you hear the question?
So no, sir. I am. Can you please repeat?
Who was asking question to Shahim?
Anus was asking.
Okay, Anas.
That was announced from third standard, third year.
Anas, yes, Anas, are you here?
Sir,
Here?
Okay, let's move to next question.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the I mean end time of this program? Is it 2
sir,
o'clock?
2 o'clock.
Okay, please continue.
sir.
Yes. Aziba, do you have anything to ask? If you have a question, please ask.
Online class.
Hello.
Yes.
I am anxious 46.
Okay.
Can you do anything for the students' library in the corona situation?
There are so many online library for free which you can read books online for students and for every grades and ages. So we can do like one Google Meet for library subject and do Google Meets and do like we'll give the link of that site and we'll go there and read the books which we like and which we are interested in.
Actually, I think there are many ebook applications coming now. New applications are introducing day by day. So I think that when we are fixing a plan, 1 week we have to read. All the students have to read this simple book, a particular book. Then I think that will be somewhat more interesting for them to read, especially for stories for small students, etc. So I think ebooks will be helpful a lot for that.
We will be making a website.
I think we can give them a book to read and time bound and they can read the book full.
We will be creating our own website and we'll be uploading ebooks that are books that are available on our library, and you can read it at any time with our school ID. And we will be conducting programs under the library section, and the student who reads more book will be awarded later at the end of the school. And we'll be asking questions and from that.
There are so many ways now for reading a book. Or every candidate says that like ebook and so libraries are there. So we can many books from Google itself. Google is the best answer for that. Many books are there. We can make a period for that. In our offline classes also, we have a period like a library period, and that's once in a week. Like that, we can do also now. In this current situation, also we can do a period as a library period. And we can read more books at that time. I like book of legends and more comics like books we can read, and we from that will be a good question also, because we are always always studying in what's in our book only. That's our CBSE books. We want to know the more value, more knowledge from the books also. So we want a period like that. One library period must be there. So if it's possible, we can do like that.
There are many books in online. We want to publish in our groups, school groups, and there are many applications in online.
And we will give you a 1 or 2 questions from the book. You can answer that question at a time. At a time we can give you.
This COVID situation, school opened, students and school what we do.
Iza,
Can you repeat your question once more?
Iza?
Okay. This COVID situation, school opened, students and school what we do?
Actually, I think we have to open our school. If it is telling that we can open by making controlling the corona and also making use of this COVID protocols, and we have to maintain a social distance in between students, and we want to maintain a very good protocol for our school by in regarding to our corona. So we have to care very well, and we have to maintain our school when it is opened. I think so.
We will be motivating every child, and we'll be getting the aware of the situation and the responsibilities, and that they take care of their body while they are coming from the home to school and going back to school. We will be awareing every student, and after that only we will be opening our school, and there will be a sanitizer facility, and uh, we will not allow any students to meet join and sit we will not allow any students to cross the protocol, and if anyone is trying to do that, we will be getting actions against them. And
My name is Jia Mehrin in 5th A. My question is, would you like to be a good leader, then why?
Of course,
I would like to be a good leader because I can help every person. I can prove my skills in leadership, and also I can experience every point by being a leader. And I think in every case, I will like to be a leader, and I wish to become a good leader. Thank you.
Shahim, I wanted to ask
Uh,
you, what makes you to think that you are perfect for a position like this?
I think I'm perfect for this question because I have been studying Najat for till 12 years, and I'm well experienced, and I have many almost all the teachers. I am the students of almost all the teachers, and I know the current situation and the ambience of the school. Uh, I have worked as the general secretary in our area as of Samasta Kerala Islam Madhya Vidyabhyasa Board, and I have been contesting last year's school council, and I get rejected. Then also I tried my best to give the students, uh, and I have managed many. I have managed 30 students alone, and I have practiced the dance for them, and I have many experience as a leader, and I think I can do this with the help of our principals and our all the friends and our students council. We will be trying our best to make this year as a good one and a remarkable one. Thank you.
I think I am perfect for this because I think I have skills for this, and I have experience, but I try my best for when I get this position.
Sir, we have 3 more minutes only.
Okay, I think let us wind up the program, right? Okay, once again, I request the candidates, please just introduce your symbol, make them understand your symbol is that, and you can give a conclusion. You can give thank to them for asking. We had a good session really, because we were getting very creative questions from our students. I'm so happy that we could see so many students, very little children from third standard are asking very creative, relevant questions. So happy to see that, and also all the candidates were so. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, because you are the right person to be the candidates of this year's school head girl and head boy elections. So you're all right. You're all apt candidates. And I wish you all the best. And over to the candidates to give a conclusion for this meeting.
Actually, I was very impressed by the questions by little kids from 3rd standard and 4th standard. I was so impressed, but even like my friends who was, my other friends who are participating in the election, they also give very good answers. Everyone was there was very active in this debate. And my symbol is sanitizer.
I think you everyone have a book. In this generation, we can't live without book. And I think you can't forget my symbol. My symbol is book. Okay?
And now we understood our students are very active, especially the small students. So I'm very happy to see that. And questions were amazing because you are all are giving creative questions. So I will remind that my symbol is cake. So I think everybody will remember because my symbol is cake and everybody love cake. So once again, I'm reminding my symbol is cake. And thanks for all of your support because many of you are supporting. And also I'm reminding my code that if you are voting for a person who can make some changes, then you are making the changes. So thank you. Vote for a person who is apt for you and your vote have a good value. So give your vote for a person who really worth it. So thank you.
Firstly, I want to thank our beloved principal and my teachers who working behind this because this platform was a really good one because we want experiences asking questions from others on the spot. We want to answer that. Also, new experiences for us. And I would very thank you to all the teachers and principals, sir. And the questions asked by the little ones are very amazing. That we didn't expect this from all these small brains, and we are very happy to hear these kind of questions, and we expecting more. And tomorrow we can do this balance questions. And I'm remembering I was my symbol is an umbrella. You can be remember so fastly, but you just remember as a colorful one, okay? A rainbow umbrella, you can just remember like that. Because no more specifying with the umbrella. It's only using when we are raining day. So my symbol is an umbrella. So you can vote me, and that's all.
And I'm so happy to hear the questions from the young ones. And this is the questions they ask. They are creating us a great hope in our future because from their little brain also they are getting the high questions. And we will be trying our best to improve their skills. And I am standing for head boy, and my symbol is laptop. And this is I am here. I am from 10th, and this is my last chance to getting contested in the Najat, and I will be trying all my best to get you here, get you happy. Hello. Thank you.
You all have pen, you are writing with pen, my symbol is pen. You all want to vote for me.
Okay. Liana replied it.
Teachers, what is your
So the question time is over. Nasa sir, are you there? Okay.
No, sir, he has
Okay. So thank you everyone. I request Sulekha ma'am to conclude this program with a vote of thanks. Thank you. And we have the availability of many teachers here. We recognize your presence here, teachers, but due to the lack of time, we are not giving that much time. We don't have that much time to have more interactions. We will have next session at 3:30, I think. We have next candidates debate. Over to Sulekha ma'am to conclude the program.
Okay, good afternoon all. Here you got many offers and many promises from our candidates. And if they win or they lose, they will be our leaders. and they will be with us in every field. So thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, Miss.
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 Thank you, Miss.